There's little Gabby girl. Hello, young Gab. Where's my old big Milo Bubs? There he is. That's my old big old Milo boys. Well, hello. Excuse me, Milo. Where's my Gabber Gabbers? Where's my Gabby girl? Well, there you go. Well, hello. What's up? Yeah. What are you guys doing now? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hello, Gabby. Well, how are you, girls? What are you guys doing, Milo? Milo, you're a big grizzly bear. You're a big old grizzly bear, Bubs.
Oh my God, they're cute.
Okay, you guys. Well, what are you guys thinking now? You guys want to go out? Are we ready to go out? Is that what you want? You guys want to go out? Really? Do you like the car, Milo? You guys like the car? You guys like the car, don't you? Are you ready to go out? Well, okay, let's go. Oh my goodness, look out. Woof. Holy moly. Alright. Okay, you guys. Are we ready to roll? You ready to roll? Okay. Well, let's go. Come on. Yeah, here we go.